Hello. All right. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that you know that the audio is working and everything. All right. So how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Welcome to News Down Wizzy. Over here at the library. Actually, I wanted to make a video because I was training last night, and yeah, this actually happened last night, and you know how people are always talking about protein, right? And the thing is that there's a really big difference between. I'm over here at the library, right? At the La Biblioteca Departamental. This library here in Cali. And so I don't want to be too loud. People are like over there reading books and stuff. So, but basically, there's a big difference between animal protein and vegetable protein. It's a they're two completely. I still have to do more research on it, but I just wanted to talk about it a little bit. And the thing is that animal protein it has all the essential amino acids, right? For example, any protein that comes from the animal kingdom, eggs, tuna, fish, meat, and and vegetable protein, for example, like nuts, lentils, and beans and all that stuff. Like this protein actually lacks amino acids, and that's just one like scientific evidence of how bad, or not how bad, it's just that we really don't absorb any nutrients from 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 anything that comes from the plant kingdom. We really don't. And so I just wanted to put that out there. And like these and it's like this Vega company and all these companies that are trying to tell people these vegetable proteins and like these protein powders, vegetable based. I mean, it really is. Like it doesn't do anything. It's basically, like I said, I'm gonna do more research on it so I can have some actual, like evidence. But I see what it is though. It's that, yeah. I mean, vegetable protein is basically like it's basically like it doesn't even exist. It's like they get this they get like the vegetables and I don't know like the scientific explanation of the processes that they do, but it's kind of like they put it under a microscope and they see the I don't know what it's called. It's like they try to make these vegetables seem like, it's like they put it under the microscope, and then, or I mean, however they do it, they try to like figure out what the certain thing is made out of, and if it's similar to, like the the whatever they're looking at, right? Let's say the nuts or the lentils or the beans, like they try to compare like the structure and try to compare it to actual meat, but it's not even close. So I mean, in other words, um, basically, vegetable protein is basically a scam. Like it's not even real. Again, and people don't know this, and like, and it's crazy because we really don't absorb any nutrients from plants. We really don't. But like I said, I'm gonna do more research on it, and to actually, be able to speak with some actual like evidence of what I'm trying to say. But to make a long story short, um, animal protein it's what we need. It's what's gonna it's what's gonna help our muscles recover. It's how we get nutrients. It's from meat. Like we cannot, as humans, we cannot absorb any nutrients from plants at all. Like this is, so yeah. I just wanted to talk about that because yesterday I was training, and that topic came into yeah. I mean, we started talking about that, so I just, I don't know. No, but yeah, seriously, we cannot absorb any nutrients well, we cannot absorb any protein from plants, and animal protein is totally different than vegetable protein. And vegetable protein is not even real; like it doesn't even exist. It's just like these scientists trying to like come up with trying to match like the how do you say, like the structure of actual animal protein. So I don't know. Like I don't. I wanted to talk about that because we really cannot absorb any protein from plants. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there.